Hi, this is Ty with Dingo Power. So we're here getting ready to do an oil change of this machine, and I wanted to go over a couple things that you guys should be looking for. So whenever we're doing a oil change on a machine, obviously we're looking at hours on our filters to see when the last time things were done, service intervals. But the other things that we look at, these pump bolts right here. So there's two bolts. We actually paint ours yellow the first time that we take the tandem pump out, so we can easily see and identify. The yard guy can look and see or have those bolts backed out of the housing at all. So that's number one. Number two, take a look at this fan. So this fan is actually not full size at the moment, and the reason is because the shroud is pushing down on that fan and wearing away at the blades. So it's going to end up with an overheat on this engine, which is going to cause issues for us, potentially toasting an engine. You can actually see how that fan is kind of wore there. So I'll show you our new fan. The new fan has actually got that entire round piece on it. So that fan that's in there has wore down almost a half an inch inside. All right, so we take a look at those, and then we always take a look at our track tension. That one looks to be riding really well. And also take a look at your nubs, make sure that you don't have excessive wear on your nubs. Lastly, we take a look at our coolant level, which is right there in that bottle. And then you also take a look at our air filter, which is behind here. And there you can see that air filter element. The other thing we do is we run these inner filters here, which you can buy on our website. Just helps protect that engine from all the small stuff. So there you go.